Signature Kitchen Suite is the top of the line for LG appliances. They debuted with this range in 2018 and have focused on technology and flexibility. In this video, you'll learn about the Signature Kitchen Suite brand, this range's key features, burners, ovens, and whether it's right for you and your cooking style. LG is known for their mass-market, regular-sized appliances that can be found in big box stores, but now they're having a go at the luxury professional style segment. Let's start with the top. The SKS DR480 has two 23,000 BTU burners on top for a powerful sear and quick boiling. Its ultra-low simmer burner claims to reach as low as 100 degrees for keeping a dish warm or melting chocolate. The induction top on the far right allows you to cook with even more control if needed. Plus, the two-zone induction burners can be bridged so you can place a griddle or grill pan on top. The SKS DR480 has two separate ovens, an 18-inch combi steam oven and a 30-inch true convection oven. The combi steam oven combines steam and convection to cook or reheat dishes and preserve taste and texture. You can also cook using just steam or just convection. The larger oven uses true convection, meaning it has an element behind the convection fan for super even results when baking, roasting, broiling, and more. It also has a speed clean setting to self-clean in 10 minutes. Within the large LCD touchscreen, you'll find the Gourmet Chef guided cooking program. Gourmet Chef allows you to select your food item and doneness and guides you through the cooking process. You can also control the oven functions and receive alerts through the app. The control knobs on the front will display the heat level of each burner as well as a timer. It's hard to compare this range to other 48-inch dual fuel models. No other range offers you this configuration of cooking options like the water bath for sous vide cooking, two high BTU gas burners along with the lower BTU simmer burners, two induction surfaces, plus a fully featured combi steam oven and convection oven along with a guided cooking system. Their range is great for an enthusiastic home cook that likes to have a lot of cooking options available all in one spot. Click the link in the description below to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide. Thanks so much for watching.